Hey guys, welcome back to yet another YouTube video. So my main focus will be focusing mainly on Twitch, and how the bot runs. But the nice thing about this is you can run this on Twitch, you can run this on Glimish, you can run it on YouTube, you can run it on Trovo. But because I'm a Twitch streamer personally, my main focus will be focused on mainly Twitch. So with that being said, I'm gonna show you guys how some of this stuff runs. So as you can see, we got chat command, we got chat, we got channel, which you'll see some of my stuff here. For example, like the people I follow, you can see who's live, stuff like that. So you got all these people here. I thought this was kind of a unique feature with this bot. Like, you can go to rate a channel. This is just visiting a channel, see channel, open channel. That's what it says anyways. But yeah, a couple different people here. You can update your stream title here. You can update your game category here. And then they got the different tags here. Mixitup is so good like that. Like Mixitup's really good. And I definitely recommend this bot. It's definitely one of my favorites. Definitely one of my favorites. And then of course you got commands, which these are all my commands, as you can see. Like, yeah, I know they're basic, but well, some of them. I got some sound commands for subscribers and things like that. And yeah, you can, like, I'll just show you guys an example, just like what kind of commands they're dealing with. So you got chat message. For example, you go to plus, you type in the message like GGGG, stuff like that. And you got some other stuff here too. You got conditional. I'm not sure what this does. I guess it's more to do with, yeah, see, I don't know too much about that part. Let's see what else we got here. Consumables, currency to all users. So we got a lot of different commands here. We got Discord command, send message, we got pixel chat. There's a lot of different things here. Serial, not sure what this does, but I am familiar with sound. This is just from your computer. And then what you want to go with is Mixitup overlay. That's what you want to go with. That is what you want to go with, Mixitup overlay, if you're using OBS. And then you got Twitch, which, this is the thing. Let me show you what this does. You can host people, you can raid people, VIP user, un-VIP them, stream marker, clip, run ad. So I'd like to use run ad, especially during breaks. So I got that as a command. It's called ad. Create a poll, create a prediction, emote only, followers only. So they got a lot of stuff here. And then we also got, oh, hit the wrong thing. We also got Trovo too here, as you can see. So set game, set title, all this other stuff. Anyways, yeah, there's a lot you can do with this bot. It's so good. I'm kind of curious. What? Oh, they removed Trovo, but they got Twitch. Okay, I see. Oh, because I didn't add in my Trovo account. That's right. Yeah, that makes sense now. Now we got action groups. I haven't really messed with that too much, to be honest. I haven't messed with it too much. Yeah, so got community commands. So these are like all pre-made commands people have made. Like raid event with shout out. Notification. iMessage notification. Bonk. So yeah, these are all like the pre-made commands, as you can see here, that people have made. Oh, coin flip. Never messed with that. Time yourself out. Time out yourself. What the heck? Why would I want people to do that? Users, as you can see, it just shows you where all the users are. As an example. Currency. So I got my point system, ranking system going on here. This is more for, you know, the mini games and things like that. I'll show you guys what this looks like. Oh yeah, it kind of looks kind of like this. People can check their rank if they just do exclamation point rank in my chat on Twitch. Twitch channel points. You can manually create a channel point from this bot, which is cool. You don't even have to log into Twitch. We got Trovo spells. We all know what that is. We got stream loots cards. I haven't messed with this too much. Stream pass. I'm not sure what this is. Let's take a look. Oh, okay. I don't know too much about this. So I'm just gonna talk a little more about Mixitup. There's like so much you can do with this bot, and it's definitely one of my favorite bots of all time. You know, that I like to use. I've been using it since Mixer, and yeah, it definitely has a lot more than most bots normally do. Like Stream Elements doesn't have all the things built into it like this bot does, and it's a desktop bot. So I think it's a good bot though. I recommend it if you want something advanced, a little, you know, like a fun little bot. I recommend it. I mean, I've been a streamer for well over 7 years, you know, at least close to 7 years. Next year it'll be 7 years. But yeah, I originally started, and when I found this bot, it was one of my favorites of all time. And like the more you use it, the more you realize just how fun it truly is. So I'll show you guys some more things here. Redemption store. So I'm guessing, you know, this would be where you edit products, which I've never used. I've never used the redemption store, added things in. So maybe that'll be something for the future that I'll do. We got overlay widgets, which I don't really use, but I do have some overlay commands. We got mini games, which we like to all use here, as you can see. We got giveaway, so that's like when someone wins a giveaway, of course. We also have game queue for people that want to join in a game. So you can like enable it, for example, or disable it. Enable, disable. And when someone joins in, you play this. You are top queue in the position to play. And then here we go. You can also make it sub priority. So yeah, I got quotes, and I haven't used this in forever. It's been a while. I'm gonna enable this. I haven't used this in a while. We got moderation, as you can see here. I don't have any banned words or nothing, but that's because it's all taken care of with Commander Root, so I don't have to really worry too much about it. You can turn on max caps. You can use community list filter, which makes it strict. And this bot, it does a damn good job just moderating. Chat participation, so you can make it to where they have to have an account for so long. Link blocking, which I do have on. Follow event moderation, which, you know, in case you get follow botted, it stops the follow bots. There's command history here, as you can see. You also have services. So you got all this cool looking stuff here. So, and then yeah, there's so much you can do. So much you can do. Webhooks. Not sure what that does. Of course, you got the accounts here. You can log into whichever you desire. YouTube will be on there soon, I think. They're still in the process of working on it. We got changelog, which just tells you what's been updated. And about, it just tells you about the founders and stuff. But I didn't show you guys these commands. So, what's cool about this is when you start like these commands, you pretty much do yourself manually. And I'm just gonna show you guys, like, so like for example, you do a command, like for example, that's my Twitter, send tweet and stream starts. So like to get these commands down, you just need, so like for example, user just hosted a channel. Thank you for sharing your community with us. And to get the commands down, you just need to click on special identifiers. And I'll show you guys this in Windows Capture. So give me a second. Okay guys, so I'm back. So this is the page you would use to show you how to like do like different commands and how to set it up and everything. So you got your generic time, user, and you got Trovo specific, limit specific. You got all this stuff here for the different platforms. You got uptime, you know, all this stuff. But what you want to use is when you're setting up event commands, you want to click on this and just start setting these up. See, you got so much stuff here. Generic, you know, stream stop, channel rated, you know, all this stuff, all this good stuff. And then, you know, you could click on this stuff. So I don't think it like shows like how many you host or anything like that, but anyways, yeah, this is all the stuff you just have to set up manually yourself, but once you get the hang of it, it all works out pretty good. And always save your settings too. Anyways guys, that's kind of like how I was doing things with Mixitup, you know, just showing you guys the basics. Mixitup bot is definitely a really good bot. I love it. And you get all these different things with it too. Patreon, event lists, and everything. And the cool thing about this bot, you can use it on any desired streaming platform you want, except for Facebook. So they said before that Facebook is weird and it's complex. So, you know, with that, like I don't see them bringing this to Facebook anytime soon. Facebook gaming, like that's a whole nother, complicated thing. Anyways, I hope everyone enjoyed this video. Leave a like, hit that subscribe. I hope this Mixitup tutorial got helped you guys out at least just a little bit, like what's all with the bot and what the bot does and so on and so forth. Anyways, much love, Phoenix Army, and thank you to everyone who tuned in watching this YouTube video today, and I'll see you in the next video next Sunday. Much love, Phoenix Army. I'll see you in the next stream.